You come to an investor with a breakthrough idea, and they offer you a government bond instead. In 2040, risk is a taboo word. Money is hiding under the mattress, afraid of the light.
Welcome to the investment drought. We are no longer funding dreams, we are only funding maintenance. The engine of progress has run out of fuel.
The private sector has stopped betting on people. Why invest in training if the market is frozen? We are spending our resources on fixing old bridges instead of building new portals to the future. Capital has become stagnant. In Scenario C, we are eating our inheritance, repairing the past while the rest of the world is busy inventing the next century. Startups have become a myth. The few companies that survive are the ones that play it safe, optimizing the mundane and ignoring the spirit of discovery. We have traded growth for a flat line. The creative well has run dry. We are polishing the routine and celebrating minor efficiencies because we are too afraid to take a single step into the unknown. We are falling behind because we stopped believing in the impossible. The gap between us and the innovators is now a canyon. We are becoming a technological museum, preserved in our own fear. Austerity is the new law. We have protected our assets so fiercely that we have stopped them from working. We are safe, but we are slowly fading away. This is the price of the drought. It is quiet, it is predictable, and it is completely dead. Next time, we look at why repetitive jobs survived the AI revolution. Stay sharp. Subscribe to survive the stagnation of Scenario C. The wait continues.